Okay. So yesterday we did union of two sets. We had said let A and be two sets and all those things. उसका Venn diagram वगैरह भी मैंने आपको explain किया था. Correct ना? Now there is this example which will help us understand lot many things clearer. इसमें intersection, union, काफी सारी चीजें fast हो जाएगी. Okay, this is your universal set. In this you have set A which has 6, 4, 2, 8, 10. Okay, 6, 4, 8, 2, 10, and you have another set which is B which has 1, 3, 5, 7, 8 and 10. ठीक है, और यूनिवर्सल सेट में ये दोनों सेट में जो नहीं है वो है 12, 11 and 9. Okay, this is with the help of a Venn diagram. ये ड्रॉ कर लो फटाफट, सो अपने को समझेगा फिर इसमें से क्या करना है वो मैं बताता हूँ. अपने को ढूंढना है इसमें. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट यू, वी हैव टू राइट एवरीथिंग इन द लिस्ट फॉर्म, in the list method. Then we have to write set A, then we have to write set B, then we have to write A union B, then we have to write A intersection B, then we have to write A dash, we have to write B dash, we have to write A union B bracket dash, a complement of that, and the ninth one that we have to write is A intersection B. ये सब लिस्ट फॉर्म में हमको लिखना है. ये 9 चीजें हमको लिखनी है. ओके, वी हैव टू राइट ऑल दीज 9 थिंग्स. चलो, टेक इट डाउन फास्ट, देन वी विल प्रोसीड फर्दर. After this will clear everything almost about complement of a set, union of a set, intersection of a set. All these things will become clearer with the help of this example. Then we will see number of elements in a set and then couple of word problems based on which we can then say we have finished this chapter and move to the next chapter. Done? If you have done, please let me know. और सिर्फ वो नहीं करना है, कॉपी करके नहीं रुकना है. You have to start writing these sets also. Listen, you have to write all the 9 sets. Ifzal, you also have to write the 9 sets. Saiba, all these 9 sets in the list form. All of that has to be written. चलो फटाफट. I'll show you all some. Let's see, check whether you all have got this. Okay, let's see if you all have got the same this thing. First one is U, that is the universal set that contains everything in the rectangle. Right up till 12. This should be U. Everybody should have got this. Okay. The next one was A. Again, A is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Third one was B. B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Till here, have you all got it right? I hope you all have. इसमें कोई difficulty है नहीं. Basic है sir. Just have to write the elements in the set. Then comes A union B. A union B. That means all that is there in this. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. 8 and 10 दो बार है, लेकिन मैं लिखूंगा एक ही बार. I will not write it as many times as they appear. I just have to write it once. Then A intersection B. Whatever is common to both A and B, that is 8 and 10 only. See if you all have done till here. जिन्होंने नहीं किया है, please complete कर लो, so that I can erase and move forward, because we have to do 3 more, 4 more. जगह चाहिए. Okay, in fact I'll write it over here. ये हो गया A dash. What is A dash? Simple way to write A dash. The simple way to write A dash is, ये जो भी elements A में है उनको छोड़ के बाकी सब लिख लेना है. उनको छोड़कर U में जितने हैं सब लिख लेना है. So the moment I say A dash, 1 I write, 2 is here, I do not write, 3 I write, 4 is there, I do not write, 5 I write, 6 is there, I do not write, 7 I write, 8 I do not write, 9 I write, 10 I don't write. Okay, 11 and 12. This is A dash. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. That is A dash. Then next is B dash. Same logic. Whatever is there in B has to be dropped out. So 1 has to be dropped out, 2 can come in, 3 has to be dropped out, 4 can come in, 5 dropped out, 6, 7 dropped out, 8 dropped out, 9, 10 dropped out, 11 and 12. Okay. That is, sorry, B dash, not B. That is B dash. Then A union B dash. मतलब इसमें जो भी है A यूनियन B में, वो इग्नोर करके जो बचे हुए है, which is 9, 11 and 12. 9, 11 and 12. A union B dash. Okay, this was your 6th one, 7th one. This was your 8th one. And the 9th one, I'll write over here, which is A intersection B dash. Except 8 and 10, everything will come. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will not come, 9, 10 will not come, 11 and 12. All of these would be A intersection B dash. चेक कर लो आप लोगों का भी ये ही आया है या नहीं. ये आना चाहिए. अगर नहीं आया है, you have made a mistake. See where you have made a mistake and correct it accordingly. Okay. Then yesterday we had also written properties. We had also written properties of union of set. We had written the properties of union of set, isn't it? Well, finish this, then we'll proceed further. Set. Number of elements in a set is so simple. All you need to do is just count what are the number of elements. कितने उसमें लिखे हैं. Okay, and before that we write, for example, I purposely left space here. I'll say n of u, n of u, universal set. कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. n of u equals to 12. In this case, n of a, 1 2 3 4 5. Here n of b, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and so on. N of a union b, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. N of a intersection b, n of a intersection b, 1 2, like that. Is that clear? That is what is number of elements in the set. Number of elements in the set. That is all that is there. Just have to count how many elements are there. You just have to count how many elements are there, and that tells you number of elements. Okay, is this clear? वो जो आपने सेट लिखा है ना, ये जो यूनिवर्सल सेट हो गया, उसके आगे ये सब लिख लो. n of u, n of a, n of b, n of a dash, n of b dash. वो लिख लो fast, so it will be easier for you. Then I'll show you one formula. Actually, it is a property or a formula which can be used. आप पहले ये कर लो, then I'll explain that formula to you. ये हो जाए तो मुझे बता देना. ये जो हमने सातों भी लिखे हैं 9, राइट n of all those 9 sets. All those 9 sets we have to write them. Okay, n of them. Done? चलो फास्ट. फिर एक प्रॉपर्टी अपने को देखनी है, फिर वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स भी करने हैं हमको. Natasha, Affan, done? Okay. So let's proceed. Now, what I'm going to show you is, let's understand from here only. Let's understand from here only. U को हटा देते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए, और ये भी हटा देते हैं. Okay. Look at n of a. N of a plus n of b. N of a plus n of b, which is 5 plus 6, which is 11. Okay. And n of a union b. N of a union b, which is 9. N of a intersection b, which is 2. Okay. So from this, I derive a very important formula. N of a union b equals to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection B. You see 9 equals to 5 plus 6 minus 2. That works out. Okay. So I'll erase this so that I can write in big this thing on. Copy this formula. We will always use this. N of A union B equals to N of A plus N of B, that is number of elements in A plus number of elements in B, minus number of elements in A intersection B. Number of elements in A intersection B. Now, why does that happen? Because this 8 and 10 are counted in A and 8 and 10 are counted in B also. But when we take it together, union, हम एक एक बार ही लिखते हैं, तो जो डबल आया है वो यहाँ पर subtract हो जाते हैं. So this is your formula which we use in this chapter. Please write this down, mark it as a formula, put it as a box or whatever you want to do it so that you don't mistake it or don't forget it. चलो लिख लो. Then we are going to do one word formula. The same thing I can also write, bring this n this side, A intersection B, same formula, N of A union B plus N of A intersection B equals to N of A plus N of B. Both are the same. Actually, it's the same formula, just rearranged it. The formula remains the same. So please copy it. Once done, please let me know, so that we are going to look at a word problem before we finish this chapter. Aiba, Ifzal, if you have done, please let me know. Okay, so all of you have done. Okay, so write down now. We'll look at some word problems which are based on this text chapter. In a class of 70 students, in a class of 70 students, in a class of 70 students, 45 students like to play cricket. 45 students like to play cricket. In a class of 70 students, 45 students like to play cricket. 45 like to play cricket. 52 like to play kho-kho. 52 like to play kho-kho. 52 like to play kho-kho. 45 like to play cricket. 52 like to play kho-kho. All the students like to play at least one of the two games. All the students like to play at least one of the two games. All the students like to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play kho-kho or cricket? How many students like to play kho-kho or cricket? How many students like to play kho-kho or cricket? That is the question. Okay. Now, in a class of 70 students, matlab total students 70 hai. That means universal, that is N of U is 70. ये total है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं है. Okay. 45 like to play cricket. So we'll say let A be the set of students. Let A be the set of students who like to play cricket. And let B be the set of students who like to play kho-kho. Okay. A be the set of students who like to play cricket and B be the set of students who like to play kho-kho. ठीक है? Now, what is given to us? How many like to play cricket? N of A is 45. N of B is 52. This is given to us. N of A is 45. N of B is 52. ये दिया है हमको. Okay. All the students like to play at least one of the two games. All the students like to play at least one of the two games. Okay. ये भी हमको दिया है. So we know N of A union B मतलब they play either kho-kho or cricket. N of A union B, they like to play at least one of the games, is 70. Now, from this, I can say using this property, okay, if I use this formula, I can say 70 equals to 45 plus 52 minus N of A intersection B. So bring A intersection B this side and bring 70 this side. So N of A intersection B, 45 plus 52 is 97, and this 70 will come over here, equals to 27. There are 27 students. There are 27 students who play both. There are 27 students who play both cricket as well as kho-kho. 27 students play both cricket and kho-kho. Okay. So how many like to play cricket or kho-kho is this? How many like to play cricket or kho-kho is only here. But how many like to play cricket and kho-kho? 27. How many like to play cricket and kho-kho? 27. How many like to play only cricket? 45 minus 27. How many like to play only kho-kho? 52 minus 27. Are we clear? 52 minus 27. Is this clear? Now, इसमें एक चीज आपको word problem है, सर ये union कब आएगा और intersection कब आएगा? That can be confusing. So when the word or comes, how many like to play cricket or how many like to play cricket or kho-kho? The moment or comes, you use union. And when the word and comes, how many like to play cricket and kho-kho? Cricket and kho-kho. Intersection comes in. Is this clear? ये याद रख लो, ये कोई बताएगा नहीं, कहीं पर दिया नहीं है बुक में, but you need to know this. How many like to play cricket and kho-kho? And आएगा तो intersection, और आएगा तो union. And आएगा तो intersection, और आएगा तो union. Is this clear? Okay, that's the operative word. Or, the moment you come across the word or, you know you have to take union. The moment you come across the word and, you know you have to take intersection. Okay, so that is what is going to tell you कि क्या use करना है. आपको बहुत सारी help उसमें हो जाएगी. You don't have to think too much there. Of course, you have to think, but not too much. Okay, so please remember that or and. Okay, because many people get confused. Sir, I thought this and I or की जगह पर I used intersection. That is wrong. Or has to be union. And की जगह पर I used union. That is wrong. And has to be intersection. So that is what you have to be very, very, very careful about. You can't just go wrong with this. Okay, please note that. Note that somewhere. The same thing we could have also solved with the help of a Venn diagram. How? That we will see. Have you all done this? Then I'll show you with the help of a Venn diagram. Same thing could have been solved with the help of a Venn diagram. With the help of a Venn diagram, let's say I had students playing cricket I'll erase this now. And there were students playing Kho-Kho. Students playing cricket and students playing Kho-Kho. This is with the help of the Venn diagram. So here there would be some students which would be common, which we could take as X. In set B, which is Kho-Kho, it would be 52 minus X. क्योंकि ये X already इसमें आ गया है, 52 minus X. और in set A, it would be 45 minus X, because again X is over here. This part is X, which is common to both. This part X is common to both. So इसके अलावा 45 minus X. Other than that, 52 minus X. Okay. So if you did that, then I could easily find out this total A and B is 70. Okay. So 70 equals to 45 minus X plus 52 minus X plus X. Okay. So minus X plus X would cancel. 70 equals to 97 minus X. Minus X would on this side would become plus X. 97 minus 70, X equals to 27. What is this X? X is what is the number of students who play cricket as well as Kho-Kho. That is all. So by Venn diagram also I could solve it like this. Okay, if they have not specified using Venn diagram or not using Venn diagram, you can use either of the methods. But if they say using Venn diagram, then you have to use this method only. Though you do with that, you will not get marks. Is that clear? So depending on what they ask, you are going to solve. So based on that, if you have any difficulty, based on that is exercise 1.4. If you have any difficulties, please ask. Otherwise, you have to do 1.4 and problem set 1. 1.4 and problem set 1. I know there are a little more sums in that, but that's okay because you have 4 days break for my class next. My class is after 4 days, so till that time you can do all these, and any which ways you don't have too long school classes also. School this thing is also short, so you have lots of time at home. So 1.4 and problem set 1. Okay. Now, what's being done in your school's real numbers, correct? Affan, आपके स्कूल में real numbers चल रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Husaina, you are in the same class, na? Husaina?
Yes. Yes,
You are
sir.
in the same class, so both of you are doing real numbers only, so no tension. Okay. So geometry भी start हुआ है?
Yes, sir.
क्या क्या हुआ है?
फर्स्ट चैप्टर हो गया, सेकंड चैप्टर स्टार्ट किए.
स्टार्ट किए. नताशा, आपके स्कूल में क्या हो रहा है? कुछ भी नहीं अभी तक. करेक्ट ना नताशा?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Nothing yet ना? So we don't have to worry about that. इफ्जल, आपके स्कूल में?
हमारी स्कूल बहुत पीछे 1.2 पे अभी तक.
टेंशन नहीं, चलो. So what we are going to do is next week we'll do real numbers, because real numbers is a big chapter. Okay, real numbers is a big chapter and an important chapter. उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें, surds, rationalization of surds, rationalization of denominator. Okay, it's a big chapter. It's almost 16-17 pages long chapter. We'll try and finish that. Then we'll begin with geometry. We'll finish the second chapter of algebra, then go to geometry. Okay, because I believe थोड़ा सा इसमें time लगेगा real numbers में, but that's okay. Actually, geometry has more chapters, but we'll first finish the second chapter of algebra. तो अभी किसी को कोई doubts, difficulties है इसमें, or should we finish over here today? Any doubts, please ask. We have finished the first chapter. और अगर doubts नहीं है तो ठीक है. No doubts? Should we end the meeting today over here? Okay, tomorrow you will have your other classes. Timetable आपको भेजा हुआ है. Okay, according to that you will have your class tomorrow. My class will not be there. So please solve this and be ready when we meet again on Monday. Chalo, take care. Bye.